Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A2 and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to be doing adjustment 48, the turret jam microswitch adjustment. As I was reading this, it says number 1 is to loosen the lock nut on the adjustable screw located under the turret jam switch. And then it says be certain that the turret is level per adjustment 35. Should be the other way. Make sure your turret's level first before you do this. And being that we did that adjustment fairly recently, we know that our turret is level. So we can carry on to doing the adjustment. I'll show you guys real quick before I start doing all this. So it's this adjusting screw right there, and should be a nut on the bottom. Basically, that's what makes contact with your turret jam switch. So, and the majority of ours are all 1/2 inch. Ow, fuck. Ow, that fucking hurt. Some of ours rotate very, very easy. Others don't rotate for jack. Which way am I going here? Ow. I think I'm going the wrong way. So I like to, god damn it, man. So I like to get mine to where they're all the way down, like it's not pushing on the micro switch at all first, and then move it from there. Like this should not be pushing up against this much. Like I haven't even heard the micro switch give out yet, like open up. Somebody was scared that they were gonna get a turret jam really bad, evidently. Jeez. You getting anything? Okay, you hear the click? That's what you should be listening for. And I'll tell you what, this micro switch is not centered onto this bolt head. It's another one of those things where it's adjustable. This flag that it sits on, you can bend and move. I've had to do that with, which one was it? 19. Anyways, what you're looking for here is you're gonna go up until you hear the click of that micro switch. Okay, I heard the click. And then you're gonna go a 1/2 turn more. That was a 1/4, 1/2. And then go ahead. And then go ahead and tighten up the lock nut. Not hearing any click. And the way that I like to test it, son of biscuit. So the way that I like to do it is run it through, load up all 9. Okay, and with the machine on, we're gonna go up front and move the turret and see how sensitive it is. That's about what you want. It's about what you want, because if you have to lift that thing up like 3-4 inches, well then it's just going to stay on if you have a pin jammed underneath the turret. And then your machine doesn't black out and things possibly break. Like turret frames. Turret frames shouldn't break. At least that's what I've been told. And I've had to change out, oh god, because they broke 4 or 5. Telling everyone I've changed, oh yeah, I've changed out 4 or 5 turret frames. They kind of look at me like, what do you mean that you've changed out that many? It shouldn't. Okay, well. So then the other thing I do is I'll send the pin, because sometimes if it's super sensitive, even the pins just dropping to the deck will make the machine flicker. Like that. Like this is, it's jammed. So that's why we check for this stuff, because even though I did it right, every machine is different. Okay, so I'm going to run this through again and we're going to try that again. This box needs to be changed out eventually too, because now I'm starting to get relays and shit stick, and that's been an ongoing thing. Okay, well, as you see, the pins dropped into the turret and didn't shut off the machine. So that's why we check afterwards. Because if you did everything to the book and didn't check, then you'd have issues that you never knew about. Why do I have these issues? So, all right. Well, see you in the adjustment. You got any questions, please leave in the comments below. If you feel like sharing the video, that'd be appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.